Look, the fact of the matter is we've got a ton of sellers who are also looking to sell property in Dubai right now. So I thought I'd make some videos that would help some of our sellers as well. You know, let's face it, sellers, buyers, agents, developers, the government, we all make up this market, right? So they need help. Let me step in there and give them a little bit of words of caution. Look, fact of the matter is I'm still a great believer in the entire Dubai model, the Dubai market. Dubai is still right up there in terms of buy interest from extremely high net worth individuals and even regular investors from the 4 billion people who are in less than a 4 hours flight from Dubai. So India, Africa, Pakistan still, right? So if you want to still know about Dubai and why it's such a great place to still build your property empire with 500,000 dirhams or less, get my book, The Intelligent Real Estate Investor. But I want to talk a little bit about the seller. Look, a couple of things that the sellers need to realize right now in the current market scenario, and I apply common business sense. And you know, somebody taught me this actually long time ago. My mother-in-law taught me this. Yeah, she said to me, "Look, Fahd," and they've been doing business and for many years now. And she said something very interesting to me. She said, "Look, Fahd, when you're looking to sell something, always be in a position to regret having sold something rather than to regret having not sold." What did she mean, right? Once you've made a decision that you're going to sell and you get a couple of competitive offers, take a decision and sell it, and perhaps later on you might get a little bit of a better offer. That's fine. You might feel a little regretful. That regret is better than not having sold, waiting longer, waiting a year, price has gone down by 500,000 dirhams, that's almost $150,000, and then regretting, and then saying, "Oh God, I wish I had sold before," right? Because over the last 3 years, we've seen this with all the sellers who've looked at selling their property over the last 3 years in Dubai. Prices have kept going down. So if you waited even a month or 2 months or 6 months, generally you've gotten lower prices. Yeah, so I don't recommend that. My personal recommendation is always regret by selling rather than regret by not selling.